Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. I welcome you all once again to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation online classes. Class 7th, Subject Hindi, Lesson 4, Topic Lalchi Chuha, that is a greedy dog. See children, this is a very interesting story and it is about a mouse who came from a small village and settled in a big city. Let's see what happens to that mouse in this story. एक दिन एक गांव का चूहा सैर करने शहर आया. Once a small mouse from a village came to see the city. He came on a tour to the city. वहाँ शहर के एक चूहे से उसकी मुलाकात हुई. There he met a mouse from that city. गांव के चूहे ने शहर के चूहे से पूछा, भाई मैं भूखा हूँ, कुछ खाने को दो. The mouse from the village will ask to the mouse of the city that I am feeling very hungry. Can you give me something to eat? शहर का चूहा कहीं से कुछ मिठाई ले आया. The city rat, he ran away and he bought some sweets for the village rat. मिठाई खाकर गांव के चूहे ने शहर के चूहे से पूछा, भाई यह खाना तो बहुत बढ़िया है, ऐसा खाना कहाँ मिलता है? He will eat the sweet, the village rat will eat the sweet and he will ask to the city mouse, brother, this is very tasty food. Where can we get such tasty food? The village mouse will ask to the city mouse that the food which you gave me is very tasty and where can we get such good and tasty food? शहर का चूहा बोला, भाई पास एक मिठाई की दुकान है. The city mouse will reply, brother, there is a sweet shop nearby here. दिन भर तो मैं बिल में छिपा रहता हूँ. The whole day, full day, I will be inside my hole. The mouse lives in a hole, either on the wall or inside the mud. They will make the hole. That is the house of mouse. And he said, दिन भर तो मैं बिल में छिपा रहता हूँ. I will be inside my hole for the I'll be inside my house for the whole day. और रात में जब दुकान का मालिक सो जाता है तब बाहर निकलकर पेट भर मिठाई खाता हूँ. And when at night when the shop will be closed and the owner will sleep, I will come out of the hole and eat whichever sweet I need and I'll fill my stomach. गांव के चूहे ने पूछा, क्या तुम मुझे अपने साथ ले चलोगे? The village mouse asked, can you also take me to that place? So he was now feeling that he want to eat that sweets again. So he asked to the city mouse that can you take me also to that place? शहर का चूहा बोला, क्यों नहीं, जरूर ले चलूँगा. The city mouse replied, why not? Surely I will take you to that place where I will eat. रात में दोनों चूहे बिल से निकलकर दुकान गए और पेट भर मिठाई खाकर दिन निकलने के पहले अपने बिल में घुस जाते. Now both the rats, they will be inside their house for the whole day and at night they will come out of their house and they will eat whatever sweets they want the whole night, and before it is morning they will run back to their house. थोड़े ही दिनों में गांव का चूहा मिठाई खा खा कर खूब मोटा हो गया. Now, as he was eating sweets daily, he was eating so many sweets the whole night. He will be eating the sweets. Now, what happened? The mouse of the village, that is village mouse, he became very fat, eating all that sweets the whole night. उसने निश्चय किया कि अब मैं अपने गांव ना जाऊंगा. He now decided that I won't go back to my village. What is there in that village? Now when he was in the city, he was eating so many sweets daily. So, as I told you, he became very fatty. Now he was not in a mood to go back to his village. यहीं रहकर खूब मिठाई खाऊंगा. He thought, I will stay here for the rest of my life and I will eat as many sweets I want for the whole life. एक दिन दुकान के मालिक ने देखा कि चूहे मिठाई खा जाते हैं. Now what happened? Once upon a time, the owner of that sweet shop, he found that the mouse is coming and eating up all of his sweets. उसने एक चूहेदानी मंगाई. Now he ordered for a mouse trap. रात को दुकान बंद करते समय सब सामान उसने अलमारियों के अंदर रख दिए. Now at night, when he was going to close his shop, he kept all the sweets inside the almirahs. He was having all small almirahs, and what he did, he kept all his sweets inside that almirah and he locked it. चूहेदानी में एक लड्डू रखकर उसका मुंह खुला छोड़कर पास ही के एक बेंच पर सो गया. Now what he did, he kept the mouse trap over there and he kept one laddu inside that mouse trap and he left the trap's mouth open and he lied down on a small bench nearby itself and he slept off after some time. जब मिठाई वाला अपनी दुकान बंद करके सो गया तब देहाती चूहे ने बिल से निकलकर देखा, सब मिठाइयाँ अलमारियों के अंदर है. Now when the owner was fast asleep, the village rat came out of his house and what he found today was all the sweets were closed inside the almirahs. इतने में चूहेदानी के अंदर एक लड्डू देखा और लालचवश उसके अंदर चला गया. Now after searching for a long time, he found that laddu inside the mouse trap. Now he was very greedy. As always, he ran for the sweet inside the trap. He went inside the trap to eat that laddu which was kept inside that. जब बाहर ना निकल सका तो बहुत घबराया. Now once he went inside, he was trapped inside and he was not able to come out. Now he was very worried. और पछताकर कहने लगा, and he regretted his decision and he said, हाय यह क्या हो गया? अयो, what happened now? He said, यहाँ से तो मैं अपने गांव में ही अच्छा था. I was better in my village than now I am in this condition. Now he was regretting for his decision that he won't go back to his village. Now he was thinking to die inside this trap. I was better in my own village. पर अब पछताने से क्या होता है? But now what was the use of regretting, as he was caught inside that and he was sure that he was going to die. Now there was no use of regretting. So children, what you learn from this story? Yes, we should not be over greedy about anything. We can achieve everything, but we should not be greedy for that. Once we got it without any difficulties, means we should not be always getting that without difficulty. We have to work hard and get it. Then only we can have it in our life. If we'll be greedy and we want more and more and more, we think like that, once we will be trapped like this. So don't be greedy for anything. Now you can see the word meanings over here, children. Just go through the word meanings here, and for question answers we'll meet in the next session. Thank you, children.